If you tried to reset your Windows password through the registry and ended up in an endless reboot loop, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix this and get your password reset the right way. First, we need to force shut down the computer by pressing and holding the power button until the computer completely shuts down. The cause of an endless reboot loop is usually an error in the settings entered into the registry, and to restore the registry changes to their original state, we need to enter the system recovery environment, which can be done in two ways. If you have a bootable USB flash drive with Windows 10 or Windows 11, skip the first method and go directly to the second. Method number 1, force restart. Turn on the computer, and immediately after Windows starts loading, when you see spinning dots or a loading circle on the screen, press the reset button, or press and hold the power button until the computer shuts down. Then turn on the computer again, and as soon as Windows starts loading, press reset again or hold the power button until the computer shuts down. Repeat this step 2 or 3 times, after which a message about automatic system recovery will appear on the screen. To enter the recovery environment, select Advanced Options. Open Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Method number 2. Connect the Windows USB drive to the computer and reboot it. Immediately after the reboot begins, press a certain key on the keyboard to open the boot menu. I pressed the F12 key, for you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens, find the installation USB flash drive in the boot menu, press Enter. The installation menu will open, but we will not install Windows. Next, click Repair your computer. Open Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Type Regedit. Enter. Click H key Local Machine. Click File, and click Load Hive. Click this PC. In this window, find the disk on which the Windows operating system is installed. On my computer, the Windows drive is marked with the letter C. On your computer the Windows drive may be marked with a different letter. Please remember the letter of your Windows drive. Also here we see 2 more small sections for system files. I know that the size of my Windows drive is 232 GB, and I open it. Open the Windows folder. Open the System32 folder. Config. System, double-click on it. In this window, you need to specify a name for the created folder. I will name this folder 12345. You can name this folder by any other name. The name of this folder has no meaning for the process. OK. Open the H key Local Machine folder. Open the new folder you created. I will open my folder. Locate the folder, Setup, and click on it. Now find the file on the right, cmd line, and double-click on it. Delete cmd.exe, and click OK. Setup TUP. Double-click on it. Enter 0 instead of 2. OK. Click on the newly created folder once. Then click File, and click Unload Hive. Click Yes, and close this folder. Close Command Prompt and click Continue loading Windows. My computer rebooted and I'm back at the lock screen. I hope your endless reboot loop is over too. And so, we need to open a command prompt. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key, and restart your computer. The Automatic System Restore menu opens. Click Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Now, to reset the password, we need to enter several commands in the command prompt. Move, space, I write the letter, but you must write your own letter, which is assigned to your local Windows drive. I hope you remember the letter of your Windows drive. Space, I write the letter again, you write your letter. Press, enter. Now type, copy, space, I write the letter, you write your letter. Space, I write the letter again, you write your letter. Press, enter. All commands completed successfully. Now write, util, space, reboot. Press, enter, and the computer will restart. My computer has rebooted, I hope everything went well for you too. And now you need to click on this button. The command line has opened. Here write the command, net, space, user. Press, enter. Here you need to find your account name, my name is IP Malik. Now we will write the following command. Net, space, user. Space, I write my account name, IP Malik, you write your name. Space, put a sign, asterisk. Press, enter. Enter. Press enter again. If your account name consists of 2 or more words, this is a problem. In this case, try enclosing the name in quotation marks. For example, Bill Gates, or William Henry Gates. And this should solve the problem. To exit a command prompt, write, exit, and press, enter. Now you do not need to enter a password, and to enter Windows, just press sign in. Okay, my computer is unlocked, the desktop opens Windows, and here we see that all my files are saved and I have not lost my personal data. And finally, how to reset all changes to the ease of access icon function to their original state. Right-click Start, and select Terminal as administrator. For convenience, I saved all the commands in a document on the desktop, and now I'll copy each command and enter it in the command prompt. You can find these commands in the video description and do the same. Also keep in mind that if your Windows drive is assigned a letter other than C, replace C with your drive letter in all commands. Press enter. After the last command, your computer will restart, and all changes to the Windows structure will be restored. Press enter. The lock screen opens, let's check the ease of access icon. Yes, this time the standard ease of access window opened, not the command prompt. To keep your computer secure, let's create a new password, but try not to forget it. Open Settings. Accounts. Open the Login Options tab. Click the Password tab. Click Add. Enter a new password. Enter a hint. Finish, and the computer is protected again. For those of you who found this video useful and liked it, please support it with a like and a subscription to the channel. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Have a nice day, everyone.